Hey, sugar, I'm still enjoying this pumpkin. Oh my, I think pumpkin may have a new fan. Because, honey, I've been enjoying the fruits of this pumpkin labor all week so far. This time I decided to take the seeds and roast them. Now, I gotta admit, before I did this, I didn't see what all the hype was about. It's like getting into a sunflower seed for me. It's just so much work. But you know what? I made the most delicious garlic lemon pepper seasoning to go on them. And then I added some tahini. And then I mixed it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and coated them real good and let it sit in there. And then put it in the oven low and slow. And I just let that go until the edges were just crispy. Oh my gosh. So good. Look how cute. Look at that beautiful color. And when you just kind of like suck the seasoning off of it, oh my gosh. Yeah, it was good. The seeds are just a little bit bigger than a sunflower seed, and I've been snacking on them ever since. Honey, pumpkin may have a new fan. Sugar Pearls is food that loves you back.